Greetings viewers, Brad from Motorsports here. Behind me we have a 2016 Ranger 900 XP Crew with some front differential noise, and we want to put this on video to see if we can diagnose and figure out what's going on with it. Now what we're looking at here, we do have lifted A-arms, which I believe are also forward a little. I don't know the exact measurements because these A-arms of course are already on the UTV, but as you can see we also have Rhino axles extended to match the A-arms. Let's go ahead and check the obvious things first, you know, just see just how much movement or play is in everything. As you can see there, right there, that's about normal from what I've seen on other UTVs. Driver's side, the same. And again, let's check the obvious U-joints. Feel tight. Check the slack here, just a little bit. Feels normal. To go up underneath here, and we'll check driveline here. Here's the midshaft bearing, and of course as you can see here, we have what appears to be just a little play in this universal joint just in front of the midshaft bearing. The midshaft bearing itself looks like it's tight. I see the rubber there, which gives a little bit, which is normal. Don't see any movement in the bearing. We'll check it behind the midshaft bearing. Feels the same. We'll twist the driveline here. Don't really feel any excessive play. So yeah, let's go ahead and start this up for the front, demonstrate the noise in the front differential.